Now coming in from down south with regards to Mahalakshmi murder case, this is CNN News 18's exclusive news break. In fact, we are advising viewers discretion over here in this particular case as well. We are learning that prime suspect Mukti Ranjan Roy's brother has now spoken to News 18. Satya Ranjan Roy has said that his brother had confessed to murder and chopping Mahalakshmi's body as well. He in fact also revealed that he was being threatened by Mahalakshmi. Satya said that Mukti allegedly wanted to go back after 2-3 months to dispose the body, tried to make it look like a suicide but failed. Speaks of a local goon also threatening Mukti to give in to the demands or his body would also be cut into pieces, boiled in a cooker and will be fed to the dogs. Listen in to that conversation that we had.
आपके भाई मुक्ति रंजन रॉय जो हैं आपसे कब मिले थे, कहाँ मिले थे और आपको कब कॉल करके बोले कि वो घर आ रहे हैं और उन्होंने महालक्ष्मी के बारे में आपको क्या बोला है?
मैम कुछ दिन पहले रात को अचानक फोन किया दूसरे अननोन नंबर से कि तू कहाँ पे है। मैं बोला कि मैं लोकेशन बताया कि बरहमपुर में इसी जगह में हूँ। तो वो हमको बोला कि तू सुबह आके मिल हमसे। और हम जब गए वो लोकेशन में पहले से वो खड़ा होकर सिगरेट खींच रहा था। तो उसका पास एक बैग जिसमें वो कपड़ा ये वगैरह रखा था। तो मैम मेरा साथ वो रुका और फिर 3 दिन का बाद सिगरेट खींच रहा था, बहुत टेंशन में लग रहा था। तो हम उसको बोले कि क्या हुआ है। तो वो बोला कि मैं बेंगलोर में ऐसे काम करके आया हूँ। हम जब पूछे कि ऐसा क्यों किया है, बोला कि वो हम आज जिस स्थिति में है तो उसी के लिए है। पूरा हम मेरे को भिखारी बना दिया है, बार बार टर्चर करता था, पैसा मांगता था। मैं उससे 5-7 लाख दे चुका हूँ। मेरा पास एक चेन का तागा ले गया। तीनों भाई के लिए एक जैसा ये बनाया था अंगूठा, वो अंगूठा भी एक लिया है। कभी 1500 मांगता है, कभी 1000 मांगता है, तब फोन करके क्या मांगता है, फिर धमकाता है, ऐसा ऐसा करता था। तो फिर उसका कोई तमिल मैनेजर था उनका पास। तो वो तमिल मैनेजर का साथ इसका नहीं पड़ रहा था। बहुत को तमिल मैनेजर जो था निकाल के उनका कोई जाने पहचान को लाके रख रहा था। तो फिर क्या हुआ कि वो ट्रांसफर कराने के लिए तो एक दिन बाइक में जा रहा था। तो ये लड़की को पता था, एक ही कंपनी में काम कर रहे थे। तो मैं लड़की जाके वहां पर इसको रोकता है तो कुछ बोलता है। भाई पूरा डिटेल से बताया नहीं क्या बोलता है, लेकिन बोला कि ये राजी हो जाए। लेकिन राजी नहीं हुए तो फिर आसपास में चिल्लाने लगी कि मेरे को किडनैप कर रहा है। तो वहां पे जो लोग थे इनको मारने लगे, फिर पुलिस के हवाले कर दिए। भाई ने सीधा वो ये बोले थे कि गुस्सा किए और गला को पकड़ लिया। मारने का कोई पहले प्लानिंग नहीं था, लेकिन गले को जब पकड़ लिए तो प्रेशर से मर गए। मतलब ज्यादा प्रेशर दे दिए, पता नहीं था तो वो मर गए।
CNN News 18's Rohini Swami is also joining us on the broadcast, who just had that conversation with the prime accused brother. Rohini, what are the glaring findings in this particular case and where exactly will the investigation go forward with the murder accused now no more with us?
Well, the investigation will continue because there's a lot of technical data and analysis, forensic analysis that is with the police. One is also not only just tracing the entire episode from Bangalore all the way to Bhadrak, but also these details, that the statements that have been given by the brothers. We have to understand that the murder accused, Mukti Ranjan Roy's younger brother, one of them was in Bangalore and the other one who I spoke to is in Beharampur. Now both are being questioned, but one of them is in police detention right now as he continues, because one thing that the police also are looking at is the brothers knew about it because he has confessed it not just to the brothers but also to his mother. They also have been complicit for the fact that they were helping him with the transportation. There was one brother who helped him in transportation in Bangalore, the other one who helped him in Beharampur. And the fact that, which also the question which I raised and have been raised by the police and questioned as to why they did not reveal this to the police when they knew and he had already confessed to them. But they said that he had threatened them and asked them to keep quiet, and that is why. And that is also, the police also confirmed that possibly that kind of pressure was why they did not come out to the police. But there are also a lot of other details based on the statements given by the brother of the prime accused, both the brothers for that matter, which the police want to investigate to piece in the puzzle, because with the prime accused now who has ended his life. There are a lot of other details they would like to pull out to see exactly how it went about and to ensure that such cases do not happen, because there has to be a deterrent that has to be put in place, and that is what the police are now looking into.